winds were southwest at 13 miles.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Desoto County in south central Florida, northeastern Charlotte County in southwestern Florida, southwestern Highlands County in south central Florida until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles west of Lake Placid, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Venus, Placid Lakes and Darch Fold. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.